All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open basically what you received in the demo folder and take a look at the files that we have here. So you'll notice there's a series of files which are named XXXX number of cars. And the first file simply has one car inside of it. So it's just the single car component. So if I open it here, you can see it's just simply this one simplified car model. I'm going to close that. And the other files have 800 cars, 1,600 cars, and 2,400 cars, all in components. So you can see that the difference in terms of file size between one instance of a component and 2,400 instances is actually really small. So it's a 0.175 kilobytes, which is 175 bytes, which is really, really tiny. But if I convert these 2,400 car components into car groups, it gives me the file just blows up in size exponentially, and these 2,400 cars that are in a group weighs 450, almost 450 megabytes. So we went from a 1.2 megabyte file to a 448 megabyte file, and all of that with essentially exactly the same geometry present in the file itself. So this file isn't actually included in your demo folder because I don't want to bloat up the Pluralsight servers, but you can easily repeat the experiment simply by selecting all of the cars in this file and exploding them and saving the file again. So yeah, this is why it's really important to, first of all, organize your model into components, and second, to use components instead of groups. It's going to help a lot with this. So imagine loading this file a couple of times, several times per page into layout. It's going to almost certainly result in a crash, whereas this file is completely manageable. All right, so if we were to summarize this short module, basically we looked at the last factors that could affect performance. And we saw that, first of all, hiding geometry is always better by using layers and not the edit hide option. Purging unused geometry from time to time is a good practice. Disabling OpenGL can help on some systems. And non-component instances drastically increase file size, which basically means that, it's always better to use components. So that brings us to the end of this module and also of this course. I hope that you found the information useful and that it will help make working in SketchUp a better and more efficient experience for you. Thank you for watching this course, and I'll see you in the next one.